Hi, viewers. Speeches for all occasions might have given you different sections of the sample speeches to add to your proficiency. But in this session, I want to jump into the path of speaking casually, because speaking casually is an essential practice that can definitely give a satisfaction to speak on a topic every day, to add feathers in our cap, to improve English proficiency. For it, the interesting piece of presentation can be a proverb and to speak on it, because proverbs are the wisest sayings of the great men who really have experimented its functional priority in their walks of challenges in the life. So the proverbs can definitely direct a very good path to everyone. Today's proverb is, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Always there is a beautiful way of satisfaction to be happy with whatever do we have. It is the best example for being content with what you have, and to be happy and satisfied can improvise your attitude in all of your approaches so positively, because the positive qualities only can frame your mental health very well. But if a person doesn't feel happy with what he has today and divert himself from his marks of satisfaction with another person, of his possessions and profession and accumulation of wealth, he loses the peace of his real availability. What is his real availability? His real availability of his strength and performance that he play in his current dais will never give him any kind of satisfaction, because he is after the distraction of noticing and comparing another better man who is rich in his wealth. In the pursuit of more desires, he feels more greedy, and he craves for that what does he have to possess more, loses his peace of mind. Why does he make up his mind with the false predictions of boasting one to be his illustrations? Only he compares the status of him to be the most focusing application. But the real happiness is not at all in it. Your real happiness can be seen in all the simple persons. The simple persons lead their life with their readily availability, and they get more satisfaction in attaching their lively attitude to the current field of their own performance. And you can meet them every day who are so simple and loyal in their attitude to make their profession well, and they make other people also happy. So let us always see them in which way, even if they get their poor wages also, the daily wages also, they are so happy, and why don't we? So it is only in our hands to view the world. The world is in our mind. In the world is in our attitude of looking into us to be happy with what we have. What we have, what is the current profile of our walking? In which way does it give us salary and the clothings and our basic things? In which way do we meet our requirements with the current platform of our profession? We must make our justice in it to keep ourselves to be happy in really performing the task that is in our hand very well. If we do our task so well with what we have in our hand, can give us the satisfaction. If we will divert our attention to the birds in the bush, the bird which is in our hand will fly away. So let us not compare ourselves with anybody, and let us be so happy to look ourselves in the mirror of today's requirement. The mirror is only the today's availability of our performance in the current suit of our profession. There we have to prove our challenges and to keep ourselves happy with what we have. So you have just seen this particular demonstration. In which way can you master your words to speak on this topic? Take more proverbs like this, and you can have your own speeches to be presented with enormous illustrations or anecdotes or the comparative stories that you want to predict, giving it to be more valuable and interesting to the listeners can improve your good English proficiency. Figuring the proverb with more illustrations, figuring the proverb with your imaginative stories, figuring the proverb with your comparative experiences can enable the listeners to predict the proverb into their mind and to really walk in its right path. So, speaking is an essential practice that can really give you a pride of joy to walk with your challenges in your professional career. So please speak more and more on many topics. Enrich your efficiency by taking more proverbs in English to add your way of techniques to speak on the topic so wisely. Thank you for attending this session.